Unlock your server's creative potential by bringing the magic of AI image generation directly to your Discord chats with Adobe Firefly. First things first, let's get the Adobe Firefly bot onto your server. You'll typically find this by heading to a trusted Discord bot invite site. Searching for Adobe Firefly and clicking on the invite button. Make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account and select the server you wish to add it to. You'll then need to authorize the bot by agreeing to the permissions it requests. Once the Firefly bot is in your server, generating images is as simple as typing a command followed by your prompt. The exact command might vary slightly depending on the bot's configuration, but it usually starts with a slash, like generate or per dream, for example. You could type something like, generate a serene landscape with a hidden waterfall and glowing flora, or creative a futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying vehicles. The bot will then process your request and present you with a few image options. You can then choose to generate more variations, upscale a specific image for higher detail, or even explore different styles. Experiment with descriptive language, specific art styles, and even moods to see what incredible visuals you can create together. Imagine the possibilities. Design unique server icons, generate artwork for your channels, create fun memes, or even collaborate on visual storytelling projects. Adobe Firefly on Discord is your gateway to a whole new level of server creativity and engagement, so start prompting and let your imagination run wild.